Hello, Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana po nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo rito, welcome din po kayo. Please subscribe, like, share my videos, and leave me a comment po kung naka-resonate kayo. Thank you. So, by the way, konti na lang, no, yung ano natin, shuffling. Kasi, before reading, lahat na to naka-press shuffle na para konti na lang, no. sa pag when the video is taking already, kasi I don't want to waste most of your time. So we have the star energy. This is really beautiful, Scorpio. Punong-puno ka ngayon ng inspirasyon, no. You are filled with inspiration in your heart. Nakikita mo yung excitement ng lalaki, 'di ba? So guided siya, no? Kung ano man ang ginagawa niya or ano man ang gagawin niya dito, he is divinely guided. Ayan, the stars are aligning as well para sa kanya. So, ibig sabihin nito na kung ano man ang gagawin mo, ano man ang susunod mong gagawin, the stars are aligning for you as well. So, you are divinely guided at ginagabayan ka nili, pinapaliwanagan, no, ng the stars are shedding its light, no, doon sa path na pupuntahan mo, para ito ay talagang makita mo ang tamang path na pupuntahan mo. And the star is also about renewal. This is also about faith. This is also about hope. Kaya bit-bit mo rito, no, yung inspiration, yung faith, yung hope ninyo, na ano man ang sisimulan mong bagong chapter sa buhay mo sa ngayon, bit-bit mo yung pag-asa na everything will go smoothly, no, everything na gagawin mo is in alignment with your destiny. Naniniwala ka, no, na gano'n. And this is also a energy of fulfillment, kaya maaring merong mga wishes din kayo that are coming to fruition at this time, Scorpio. Kaya kung ano man yan, this is a time now for you to enjoy it. Okay, so good luck sa'yo. What else? We have Nine of Earth. Wow, napakaganda. Sitting pretty. 'Di ba? Sitting pretty siya. At wow, tignan mo yung puno, oh, namumunga ng pera. So ito na yung hard work ninyo going to pay off. Kung ano man yung mga pinagsikapan ninyo, ano man yung pinagtrabahuan ninyo, this is the time that you are going to this is the time that you are going to reap the rewards of your hard work. Kaya napakaganda, napakaswerte ninyo sa ngayon. This is the time for abundance. This is a time for your prosperity. This is a time for your prosperity and abundance, at saka ito na yung time, no, na lahat ng patience mo, lahat ng diligence mo sa trabaho, yung time, effort, energy, resources na binuhos mo sa bagay na to, now makukuha mo na yung return of investment mo. Kaya this is the time that you're going to savor this, no. You deserve to savor all of this, of these blessings na meron kayo. So magkakaroon kayo rito ng konting pagkakataon din, no, to enjoy luxury. So enjoy ninyo yan, you deserve it. There will be contentment, no, financial freedom, financial abundance, prosperity, no, and financial independence. Kaya napakaswerte ninyo. So i-savor ninyo yan kasi deserve ninyo yan. We have two water. Ayan, so this is about partnership. This is about entering a new love and romantic relationship. Kung ang iba sa inyo dito, kung wala pa kayong jowa, baka ngayon magkakajowa na kayo, no? This is the time that you are going to meet your twin flame, your eternal love, your soulmate, yung ganon. And yung pagkilala ninyong ito, no, maybe is going to develop into a beautiful partnership and commitment, 'di ba? Kung mayroon na din naman kayong dati kung you are already in a existing relationship, baka at nagkaroon siguro kayo dito ng pag-aaway, meron kayong communication gap siguro ng person ninyo. Now is the time, no, na yan ay maaayos din. Now is the time that you are going to talk again, to reconcile, no. Meron ditong pag-aayos. Meron ditong pagkakaayos, no? Kaya napakaganda. So, tignan natin kung ano pa yung messages ninyo, Scorpio. We have romance. Ayan, ito na nga, Two of Water. We have romance card. So, definitely, meron talaga ditong, romantic partnership. No? There is going to be some kind of romantic partnership that is going to happen. Maaari din na yun nga po, pwedeng papasok kayo sa bagong relasyon or kung nasa existing relationship na din kayo, baka yung pagbabalikan na to, no? Yung pagkakaayos, pagre-reconcile ninyo, baka pag-uusapan na ninyo rin din dito, yung pag-level up ng inyong commitment with your person, no? So, baka meron din dito pag-uusap ng pagpapakasal, pag-aasawa, pagsasama, 'di ba? Yung mga ganon. Kaya good luck sa'yo. So, we have helpful people. Ayan, you are surrounded with helpful people. You are blessed kasi bibihira ang ganito na meron kang mga tao sa paligid mo na maaasahan, na you can always turn to them when you need help, 'di ba? So, napaka-blessed mo, napakaswerte mo na meron kang mga tao sa paligid mo na kahit anong oras mo lapitan, no, meron at meron silang itutulong sa'yo. We have trust, magtiwala ka. Okay? So, kung ano man ang gagawin mo ngayon, trust in the divine, no? Trust in the divine na yan ay mapagtatagumpayan mo, yan ay napunta sa path mo, kung ano man ang opportunity na yan, napunta sa path mo, and once na mag-take action ka towards that, diba? Magtiwala ka lang na yan ay mapagtatagumpayan mo. Okay? And also, ang na-pick up ko din dito, no, since we have reconciliation energy, most probably yung dahilan, diba, ng pagkakaroon ninyo ng away sa inyong karelasyon, maaaring meron trust issues, baka meron trust issues, and now that you are going to reconcile, now that you are going to talk again, maaari, na meron ka nang natutunan from that communication gap ninyo, at siguro, maaaring kailangan mo din dito na magtiwala pa, dagdagan pa ang iyong tiwala sa person mo at sa relationship ninyo. Okay? So, good luck po. Thank you for watching. Love and light. Namaste.